welcome back. There is potato salad, and then there is potato salad. Chef Martin Heuser, owner of Affäre, is here to show us how to make his German potato salad, and this is way different than the potato salad that my mom makes for picnics.
Could be, it's possible.
So I am totally excited to check this out. And you've already got some stuff simmering over here on the stove, so let's walk over and talk about what you're initially doing here.
So we're starting with like a cup of vegetable stock, but you can also use chicken or beef. Right now I'm keeping it vegetarian. Then we're adding, like, depending on onion size, a half of full onion. And we keep reducing this. So all the flavors go into the stock, before we mix it with my potatoes, which are already cut. These are russet potatoes. They're pre-cooked in the peel very slowly. Once they're tender, I peel them and then I quarter them. Okay. So that's gonna be your base.
Now, real quick, back over on the stove again. I know we have some of your bratwurst going over there.
Yes.
And you have, I think, 6 different flavors of bratwurst available?
Yes. Right now he has a cabanossi and curry. And if we move over there, you see a Thüringer bratwurst, a smoked Thüringer bratwurst, a Bavarian Weisswurst, the famous German currywurst, and an Italian brat.
Talk about the currywurst a little bit, because I know you have some of the curry sauce over here that I'm going to try in just a little bit. But what is the currywurst? And that doesn't sound exactly German to me, right?
Yes, actually it was after the Second World War in northern Germany. The British soldiers came over and started feeding the Germans because there was no more food. And then one lady, she became Worcestershire sauce and ketchup and some curry powder.
Really?
And she was going to make a sauce. She got so excited running up the stairs. She fell, and the curry, the ketchup and the Worcestershire sauce broke and mixed together. And she didn't want to waste it, so she collected it and put it on the stove to make it safe again at the time. And then she added curry to it, and that was the start of the curry sauce and the famous curry brat.
And now it's super popular in Germany.
Yes, they're eating 300 million every year.
300 million every year, my goodness. Well, let's get back to the potato salad.
Yes,
I know that's what we're working on. And what makes German potato salad different? Because I think around here it's more of a mayonnaise-based potato salad. What makes the German potato salad different?
This one is a broth-based, which is perfect for the summertime. It's nice and light, and you can accompany it with anything. For example, my brats, or cold meat, or just cold cuts or cheese. So the variety is endless. And again, it's very, very light in a hot summer. So we reduce the stock, and we pour this over the potatoes with the onions. And then the next ingredient is white vinegar.
Okay.
Salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Nutmeg goes very good with potatoes and pasta. Yeah. I call it the German essence. And then we add a little bit of mustard to it. This is a Düsseldorf mustard. It's a little bit different than Dijon. It's like a yellow and a brown grain mustard seed, and then it's finished with the brandy vinegar. So that's why you get a little bit the darker color than you used from the Dijon.
So that's a Düsseldorf mustard, you said?
Düsseldorf mustard, yeah. It's a kind of mustard, even though we have a city called like this, but
I didn't know if it was
it's a
regional
style
or not,
of mustard, So when you do the potato salad at home, the best is to put this for half an hour in the fridge and let the potatoes soak up all the liquids. And now we don't have the time, so I'll move on to the next step.
Okay.
Now you're adding some vegetable oil. And the recipe is all available online.
Oh, wonderful.
And then the fun begins, because this is the base potato salad, but now you can add, if you like, bacon bits, you can add ham, you can add peppers, asparagus, radishes, pickles, eggs, and certainly
And unfortunately, we're not going to have time to play it all here, but you already have a finished section
I have
for
a
us
salad
over here. And that's fantastic.
And I give you a little bit to try.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah, there you go.
And also, it's kind of hidden behind the counter, but the chef has authentic German lederhosen on here today as well. So we're going to show that off before the end of the show, right, Chef?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So, all right, well, I'm going to get some potato salad, and, well, it's tough to eat with the spoon. Oh, here's a fork right there. Look at that. Yeah. All right. How about that? All right. That is fantastic.
Thank you. We also serve that for family dinner at Affäre, which is Sunday night. So you're gonna have a spread of potato salad, regular salad, toppings, brats,
Okay.
schnitzel. So they're gonna be a nice variety for family.
All right.
Every Sunday night.
Bringing the family dinner back here at Sunday night at